don't want to talk about it.
Oh, of course, you never want to talk about it.
Get off my back, bitch!
Out there. Not in here.
I know. I shouldn't take my anger out on you or Scary Brandon. I love you, Melissa.
I love you too, Terry.
Morty, this is perfect. After a little scary coitus, they should be fast asleep, and then we'll incept him. Looks like Scary Terry's having a nightmare. Oh boy, Rick, I can only imagine what horrible things must, scare Scary Terry.
Oh no, I'm late to class, bitch. Oh no, I'm not wearing any pants.
Oh, well, Mr. Terry, why don't you tell the whole class the proper wordplay to use when one is chasing one's victim through a pumpkin patch?
Bitch.
Oh, come on, Terry. You can't think of a pun involving pumpkins, bitch?
Hey, leave him alone! Yeah, this is a bunch of bull crap. Who cares what stupid pun you make when you kill someone? Why don't you let the poor guy say whatever he wants?
Well, I see no reason to stand here and take this.
You're putting too much pressure on yourself, Scary Terry. You're perfectly scary enough as it is. Hey, yo, Scary T, don't even trip about your pants, dog. Here's a pair on us, fool.
Oh, bitch. I don't know what to say.
You don't need to say anything. We got you, dog. You're our boy, dog. Don't even trip.
Oh, hey, it's you guys.
I haven't seen him this relaxed in years.
If you guys ever need anything, just say the word.
As a matter of fact, Terry, there is something you can help us with.
I always hated that song. These halves don't belong together, bitch. Sex is sacred. This is because you don't give Morty Smith good grades, bitch.
Holy crap, goddamn! I know one thing for sure. I'm giving Morty an A in math, and that's my idea. That is an original thought.
What the hell? Out of the frying pan, ... huh, Morty? Oh man, what's going on? Well, it's possible that your dog became self-aware and made modifications on the cognition amplifier, then turned on Jerry Beth in summer after learning about humanity's cruel subjugation of his species, but your guess is as good as mine, Morty.
I can't believe how mean Snuffles got just because he's smart. This is why I choose to get C's.
Beth, Jerry, Summer.
Dad!
Rick!
Oh, thank God, Morty.
Oh, you're welcome! All right, let's get out of here. If we hurry, we can set up camp